Hi, I'm Drew Waller, Waterworks Product Manager here at AY McDonald, and today we're going to talk about another product from our Innovation Center, the Commander Remote Shutoff, and how to install it. The Commander Remote Shutoff gives you access to a valve via website or Bluetooth to be able to turn it off and on your command. All users must have an account created. Contact your admin or sales at aymcdonald.com for an account. Download the AY McDonald Commander app from your App Store on your mobile device. Log into the app using your credentials. If prompted, select Enable Bluetooth Connectivity. Each Commander comes with everything you're going to need to install. The black endpoint or antenna, the green actuator or motor, clamp, your plate, your cap, and then 2 security bolts. Some common tools needed for the install of the Commander: crescent wrench or valve key, torque wrench, power drill, T27 bit, and a magnet for activation. Before installing, make sure you test the valve to make sure it's in good operating condition, and then leave it closed to install the unit. Take your clamp and set it between the nut and the shoulder, leaving it loose. Install your cap and plate over top, lining it up to make sure the bolts are within the holes there. Lightly tighten down the screws and then you'll want to torque these to 8 foot-pounds. Next, take your actuator, lining the splines up with the cap. Take your 2 security bolts. Loosely tighten down the security bolt. And then use your torque wrench to tighten it down to 4 foot-pounds. Next, take your endpoint and attach it to the bottom of your lid. And then tightening the nut to give it a secure fit. Remove the dust caps from both the actuator cord and the endpoint cord, and align the arrows up. And for a closer look, here's how the arrows should look when aligned. Before starting the activation, swipe your magnet over top of the blue dot on the endpoint, and then we're ready to go on the app. Open up the AY McDonald app, enter your credentials, select the menu button in the upper left-hand corner, select Activate New Device, select Add New Endpoint/Actuator, select Next, make sure your platform account displays in the first line, select None Selected, select Add New Location, enter location name, select your platform account on the second line, select Add, select Yes, select OK, select Next. Now it's time to scan the barcode on the endpoint. After the serial number populated, select Next. Wait for your endpoint and your actuator to pop up. Select Next. Check to see if your firmware is updated on both units. Select Next. Select the type of valve you have, either a 2-position or a 3-position restricted flow. and then choose your pipe size, either 3/4 or 1 inch. Select Next. Check the data is correct on this page. Select Next. Now we want to select our geolocation. So we can either hit the compass, and that'll give us a geolocation of the phone itself, or we can enter in the address. Select Next. Confirm device activation. Select Confirm. And the unit has successfully been added to the app. So now it's time to test the cellular connectivity. Select Start. And this will return the data of your cellular connection. Success. Now select Close. Now let's test the valve actuation. The valve is currently in the closed position. New position, select Open. Select the blue check mark. Select Update. And now your valve will open. Now let's confirm that the app and the valve are both in the right position. Select Done. Select the menu button in the upper left-hand corner. Select Device Control. Select Device. Select Next. So now we're going to verify that the valve is in the open position and the app is saying that is in the open position. And now we're ready to close up the unit. And that's how easy it is to install the Commander. For more information, please call us at 1-800-AY-CARES or go to our website, www.aymcdonald.com. And if you like this video, please follow us on socials.